Hello all, today in this video we are going to make a series for Python from start itself. So for that we can just move from the first topic, which is variables and constant. So in this work we are going to, that is in this video series, we are going to see variables and data types, that is different types of data types. So the variables are integer, then string, float and constants. You may notice for integer it is some numbers which is not in fractions, but for strings it is like a name or a word and all, or comes under string variables. Then 5.9 it is a float one, that is the fractions or decimal ones will come with a float. And constants means pi, it is constant, it will not change at any instant, so that is constant. So this is the variables. First thing we are learning in Python is variables, which are integers, strings, float and constant. Then we can see and details regarding different data types. Already we saw what is integer, so that only here we are seeing. Apart from that, we are also using some data operations like plus. So by using two integers, what is the result which we are obtaining? So when we are adding two integers like 10 and plus 5, we will get another integer. Sorry, minus 5, we are get another integer and we are printing it. For the printing, we are using print sum of this output will be called over here. This thing, sum of A means this 10 will display over here. B means this minus 5 will display over here. We can just work with some other different values. Now if you notice means this 3 is coming here, this 5 is coming here, and the sum is 3 plus 5 it's 8, and it is coming here 8. So then float. Float already we saw, it is the decimal thing which we are calling as float. So we are making product of, that is multiplying two variables. So for that we are using the star operation to multiply, and the output we are getting like this. So if you are using some other different values means like previous we got, no, that like that also we will getting some different values here also. Then we are going to see an explanation like string data type. String means already we also see about that also. It is some words or names. Mostly it is a word or sentence. Sentence, not a single word, which is called as the string. And here we are making two make an giving a name which is a string, and in another variable, this greeting is an variable. So within this greeting we are making another string, but we are calling it manually, and we are calling this name over here, and then we are printing this pre-greeting. So greeting is nothing but this hello name, that is hello Alice. So here if you can also change both one. Here I'm just giving hi, and here I'm just if now we are running means it will be like hi rare kind. If you don't need this comma means you can omit it. Now it will be like hi rare kind. So it is like that only. Next we are going to see the list data type. So list is an ordered mutable. Mutable means we can modify it. So this is the list which we are giving within square braces as an list, but you can also modify it. Modify means you can just add this cherry over here. So this is what is modifying. um, and append means add. Append operation is going to add. Likewise remove operation will make delete. So we are done making it. Previously it was apple, banana, cherry and orange. Since we made some changes, now it will be apple, cherry, banana and orange. Then tuple, here it is also same as this list, but it cannot be modified, that is it cannot be changed. So for that, we are making use of some data type, variables like coordinates. So some values we have given. So it will be like 10, 20. Then this 1020 we are making user define. But coordinates means x coordinate and y coordinate. There will be one x coordinate and then one y coordinate. So here 10 20 can be made, only 10 and 20 can be made, we can't add some other. But here in this case we can add some other thing, like some other fruit, like whatever it is. But here we can add, in this thing we can add. But when we are moving to graphs and all, for an x variable, we will have only y variable. So that is what we will call as tuple. Then dictionary is the another data type. So it is a collection of key and value pairs, and it is used for storing the mapping. So for name means this is the key and this is the value. Age is the key and 21 is the value. Major is the key and computer science is the value. Likewise, if you are giving some other means, that is, I'm just adding fruit. It is the key means apple is the value. It should be also given within double braces. So that is the dictionary. So here we are printing only the key of this name, that is name only we are displaying. So while displaying this student name, it will be given as Alice. If you want to give student fruit, what does this student like means, in that case the output will be apple. So the key only we have to call, this value will, it will be displayed automatically. This is the thing in dictionary. Then we are going to see the another data type, which is boolean. Here it is to represent true or false. Boolean, it will have some different operations like addition, subtraction and all. No, that we can see in the next video. Here we can just see its student or that is it. A boolean is a thing which have some only two values, which is true or false, either true or false, but not both. So this is the Boolean data type. In the next video, we can see about a basic Python code for basic operators. What are the operators which are having in Python? Thank you.